more details now coming in of why Aryan Khan and two others were denied bail by a special anti-drugs court today. Well, what the court said in its bail order was that prima facie there is involvement of grave offence, and the court also said that this was not a fit case for granting bail. Now, this of course comes after Aryan Khan has already been in jail for 13 days. Saurabh joining us at this point with the latest. Saurabh, what else are we hearing about this bail order now?
Well, obviously the detailed order is out, and perhaps one of the most significant points of the order based on which Aryan Khan's bail has been denied is encapsulated in point number 34 of the order, where the judge says, moreover, WhatsApp chats prima facie reveals the accused number one, which is Aryan Khan, is dealing in illicit drug activities of narcotic substances on regular basis. Therefore, it cannot be said that accused number one is not likely to commit similar offence while on bail. So that's one, of course. And then, of course, he goes on to say that considering the evidence on record, it cannot be said that there are reasonable grounds for application, believing that applications accused number 1, 2 and 3 are not guilty of such offence and are not likely to commit such offences while on bail. So that's one point. And of course, again in point number 19 and 20 of the order is something that we've been reporting on, and this seems to again have gone in favor of the Narcotics Control Bureau, where in point number 19 the court says, during the course of argument, WhatsApp chats were shown to the court. Perusal of WhatsApp chats reveals that there are chats of applicant accused number 1, again this is in reference to Aryan Khan, about drugs with unknown persons. There is also a reference of bulk quantity and hard drug in these chats. There is prima facie material showing that applicant number 1 or accused number 1, which is of course Aryan Khan, was in contact with persons dealing in prohibited narcotic substances as alleged by the prosecution. Then of course there's another bit where there is the bit about the international links, and that's something that also has been relied upon by the court. So basically the court has relied on the main argument of the additional Solicitor General Anil Singh, that there is an international racket, that there is Aryan Khan's chats apparently show that he was in touch with drug dealers, which of course his lawyers have said, look, A, nothing was found on him, and B, this is misinterpretation of millennial lingo. So obviously there is of course at this point the merits of the evidence will not be difficult, but prima facie what the court is saying that there seems to be evidence as far as WhatsApp chats are concerned. So once again, this entire case seems to be hinging on WhatsApp chats, and this seems to have become a norm as far as the NCB investigations are concerned.
Right. All right.
Where there is absence
okay,
of
Saurabh, we will leave it at that for now. But thanks for joining us with those new details now of the bail rejection order.